Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today I will show you how to design fixed width template. I mean to say centralized division for all screen resolution. So in the body section, set a color, that is background color is black. Okay, now link the CSS file with your HTML file like this in the header section by using link tag. Okay, now your output is there. First of all, create a outer division that is there, in which you can create many divisions, but in this tutorial I will create 3 divisions. This division, the outermost division takes a ID property with the outer name is outer, and in the outer divisions we have a single division, that is outer header division. In the outer header division we have another division, that is ID takes first, and similarly in outer header section we have 2 divisions. First ID of the first division, which is inside in the outer header, that is first, and the ID of the second division is second. Okay, in the style sheet, first to set for outer division. Okay, this is the outermost divisions which is cover all other divisions, like this is the outer division which cover all other divisions. So here we have a template, that is width is 950 pixel, margin covers 0 pixel from top, right side for auto for automatic, it's auto adjust, and bottom for 0 pixel, left for auto. I mean to say this is the centralize your division. Okay, now set the border color, border with 1 pixel and 2 pixel, solid type, and the color is white. Okay, so now save this, and if you take in the first division of the outer header h1 tag for your site title, h1 for your site title, site name, just after the h1 tag you can add the paragraph tag for your subtitle. So in the outer header, that is the header division, in which we have 2 divisions. First division takes h1 tag with the site name, also the paragraph tag with the subtitle. Similarly, in the second divisions we have a form tag for your login information, username and the password, but in this example I will take only username. Okay, so input type equals to text, and also use the submit button. Okay, that's fine. Now save and refresh it. Yeah, your division is 950 pixel, but color is matched with your background color, so change the color of the body. So in the background section, change the color, that is the 950 pixel. Okay, and if you set 700 pixel, then what happened, your division is shrink. Okay, that is there are 700 pixel. Okay, 800 pixel there is. Okay, now set the color of the font, that is color is white. Now the next tutorial is username and the input box align in the right side. So in the outer header we have two division, that is first and second. So first of all, the outer header division, looking like a table. So outer header display its table. Also set the width of the outer header is same as outer, that is 800 pixels, and the display is looking like a table. Okay, yeah, and the first and the second division inside the outer header looking like a table cell. So first and the second looking like a display table cell. Okay, that's fine. Save this and run it. In the second divisions, we can add text align is right side. Okay, so the second cell we can set the text align property, that is looking like that. Yeah, it's too much pretty. So you can design your site further. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorials. Please keep watching my all other video tutorials which is related to CSS3, Bootstrap and HTML5. Now you can set the border radius, that is 10% of the outermost header, that is radius. You can also set the box shadow. Okay, so thank you very much again.